guys. This is Sharjah. We're walking right now. Ate is still wearing her uniform.
Walking wearing uniform. Ay, pawisan mo ba yung mga dito?
Ako hindi. So, we're walking like 30 minutes. And after this, we're going back home because we're going to sleep because we still have early shift tomorrow.
Ayusin lang iba yung
Ha?
ayusin lang yung Christmas light. Okay naman yung sa Christmas light.
Oh, nagtara guys, bigas sa tugikan.
Ito naman eh.
So that is Chikex. Chikex is same like KFC, but and beside of that is the gym, boys for boys. Okay,
Hi,
guys.
Hello.
So bye.